Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super helpful trick for anyone who wants to keep their privacy on WhatsApp, especially if you're using it on your computer. If you've ever opened a message and instantly regretted it because that little blue tick gave you away, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to hide that you've read someone's message on the latest WhatsApp desktop update. Let's get started right away. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon that's the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, inside the settings menu, you'll find several sections, but the one we're looking for is privacy. Click on privacy, and this is where all your chat visibility and security options are located. In the privacy settings, scroll down until you see an option called read receipts. By default, this feature is turned on, which means people can see when you've read their messages. All you need to do is uncheck or toggle off the read receipts option. Once that's done, you're all set. From now on, anyone who messages you won't see those blue ticks anymore when you read their chats. It's that easy. You can still see when others have read your messages if they have the feature on, but yours will stay private. This small change can make a big difference if you like reading messages on your own time without feeling pressured to reply immediately. It's perfect for moments when you just need some space or you're too busy to respond right away. You've now learned how to hide that you've read a message on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. Give it a try and enjoy chatting with more privacy and peace of mind.